they didn't qualify for tenths of a second or cents of a second. So the level of the athletes, it's almost like final A. Strong start from lanes 1, 2, and 3. And also Evelina Kostenko for Kazakhstan in lane 9. Remember, this is the 500 meters.
B final. Kostenko leading.
Kostenko from Kazakhstan. She finished 5th in the Olympic hopes last year in Zagreb in the under 15 category. And she was racing with Lara Martins, against Lara Martins from Portugal also. That is Evelina Kostenko for Kazakhstan. Natalia Moreira for Spain. In lane
Fighting
8,
for each lead.
yes, former junior bronze medalist last year in the kayak for 500 meters. And watch lane 4. That is Jacqueline Kennedy. She finished 4th in semi-final 3. It's really, really close to qualify to final A. That's Jacqueline Kennedy. And World Championship last year, she raced and she was in the 23rd place, 23. So that is final C. And now she's racing in final B, and that is Jacqueline Kennedy.
Such as ahead, Jacqueline Kennedy.
And she's the winner. She finished 10th, and Natalia Moreira 2nd. And between lanes 1 and 3, we need to wait for the photo finish. Jacqueline Kennedy. It's bittersweet sensation. You win the final B, but you know that you should have a place in final A. Congratulations, Jacqueline Kennedy.
New Zealand.
He finished 10th in the World Championship.
Seeing again this compact from the last race. Moreira now on the screen. And with Kennedy winning this race.
Emotions getting into you, and that's your winner of the final B, Jacqueline Kennedy, 2 minutes, 1 second, 17. Second place for Natalia Moreira, Spain. Anastasia Kravchenko, racing as neutral.